Today I'm painting with a Boxcar Series size 5 brush on show card with some temper paint. Whenever you use water-based paint with a Flying Squirrel brush, make sure that's the only type of paint that you use with that brush. Don't use oil paints with this afterwards or enamels. So simply rinse it out with some water, get all that pigment out, and then you can use some soap, either dish soap or shampoo, to rinse it out. Think of what you'd use in your own hair. I like to rinse it out thoroughly, make sure there's no pigment bleeding out of the heel of the brush, and then after all the soap and pigment's out, shape the brush with your thumbnail and your forefinger to give it a nice chisel. Make sure you don't leave little splits in the hairs, or they'll keep on growing over time and you'll have splits whenever you paint. Once you get that nice chisel, put it in a mug or a cup or somewhere upright and let it dry. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and shop our products at signpainting.com. I want to give a huge shout out to my nephew Alexander, who made all the music for these videos. He is Repronunciation. You can find him on Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, and wherever good music is listened to. Also, thanks to Oliver, who assisted me in filming all of this.